In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Outplay.tv not detecting your game. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure to head over to your whatever game you are playing, and from here simply head over to the options. Inside, you want to make sure that you have selected for the window mode something like window borderless or full screen. You can just go ahead and make sure to choose either one of those options. So in my case, I have something like window full screen or borderless. You want to consider choosing full screen or window borderless, making sure that it's compatible with our screen right here. Now, we can also manually add our game on Outplay. So you just want to head over to the main dashboard. In here, click select game. And then in my case, I have my game list. You can just click on the plus icon. But if you can also make sure to just search it using the search bar. So if you're playing something like Monster Hunter, you can then type that right here. Now in my case, I have the Monster Hunter Wild, so I'll just click on the check button and it will automatically detect, or it will automatically add my game right here. The last thing that you want to do is to disable some specific settings on your game settings. For example, if your game requires you the data or the GPU data acceleration, you just want to simply disable that option. And for some cases, you also want to make sure to run your games as an administrator access. So for example, I'm heading over to the same game, the Stardew Valley. It's going to be this game right here. And then you can just make sure to click on the run as administrator option. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.